But it's good. What a nice change,
Yeah.
huh? This is good. We've had so many days in the 90s that we needed this. Now, mid to upper 50s as you walk out the door, hour by hour. Things will gradually warm up. We should be at about 68 degrees by 11 o'clock. We're getting some clearing, too, so a little mix of sun and clouds through midday, and then highs right around 78 to 80 degrees. Now, the normal high today is 83, so we're going to be a few degrees once again below that. We hit 77 yesterday, so pretty close to where we were yesterday afternoon. So far this year, already 14 days in the 90s. 11 of those were in June. Now we've got some cooler, wet weather through, it looks like, at least Wednesday. Now here within the next couple of days, next 2 to 3 days, we're likely going to see across the metro area in northeastern Colorado about a ½ inch to an inch of rain. We will get some pockets of heavier rain, especially tomorrow. I'll show you where coming up. This is the shot from Westminster. Typically, you can see a really pretty view of Boulder and the Flatirons. Quite a bit of cloud cover, even still some drizzle this morning. You head west, though, on I-70 and get up closer to Georgetown and Loveland, and this is the scene. It's a beautiful sunny morning, and it's actually going to get quite a bit warmer there early on with that sunshine. Right now, they're in the 40s. We're in the 50s. Denver 55, Greeley 56, and in the Springs 57. We'll likely see 60s by about 9 o'clock. Should be at about 61 in Denver. Clearing skies here in town by, it looks like, mid-morning, and then by 12 o'clock midday, we're at 71 in Denver, 72 in Aurora, and close to 70 there in Greeley. We'll see our highs top out right around 80. Now, like yesterday, it's going to be late afternoon, I think a little bit later than what we saw yesterday, where a few thunderstorms will pop up. I know it doesn't look super impressive here in Denver on Futurecast, but we could see really from Castle Rock north up to Fort Collins a few stronger storms. I think most of our activity will be north of Denver, closer to Erie, Platteville, Greeley, and then stretching east toward Fort Morgan through early evening. With a few of these storms, we could get some isolated tornadoes again, larger hail, also some wind. And then as things calm down overnight, we're back in some patchy fog early Tuesday morning with potentially a little more drizzle again early tomorrow. So it's a little unsettled this next few days. Risk of severe weather today covers the northern Front Range, Denver, Boulder to Fort Collins. And then tomorrow that risk covers most of eastern Colorado. It's just a marginal risk, but if you're again under one of those storm cells, it could get pretty intense. Upper 70s today, a little cooler tomorrow. We're back in the low 70s on Tuesday. Things will gradually warm up. Now, Wednesday, we've got another shot at some rain, lightning, and thunder with some isolated storms by Thursday. So it is a little bit drier through the end of the week. And there's a few 80s, but no 90s on this 7-day. Back in the low to mid 80s, Jace, by Friday.